So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Scott GOG. Today on this video I will be showcasing you how to use the MPESA app by Safaricom. So I've been getting a lot of queries from people telling me that I should do a tutorial on how to use the MPESA app. You know, most of the time Kenyans, they don't actually use the MPESA app. They usually prefer to use the SIM toolkit, which is actually very limited in terms of the features that one can actually do using the app. So for instance, like this app, you can pay for almost any type of digital service that is available. For example, you can pay for Netflix, you can pay for Showmax, you can pay for digital TV like DSTV, you can pay for NHIF, you can also pay for other international services using the Global Pay. It's a service under the MPESA app that they installed. So guys, if you like content like this, some phone tricks, some walkthrough tutorials of softwares and devices, please subscribe to my channel. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers, people. It will help me to at least get forward, you support your boy Pale. And without further ado, let's get to my phone and then I show you how to set up the app and use the service. So guys, let me show you how to install the app. You go to Google Play Store for any Android or your iOS device, then you search here MPESA app. You will see a green icon, this one. I had already installed it, so I want to install it again. So you open it. When you open it, the first time you open it, it will ask you to use your cellular data or your mobile data. So let me just first put in my PIN, then okay guys, so I had to put in my PIN. As you can see here, we have the send and request, so you can send money and receive money using this app. You can also pay using the pay bill, the buy goods, pochi la biashara. For those who are using the pochi for biashara for business users most of the time and they don't want to incur expenses, you can use the pochi la biashara. And then we have the global pay. Now this global pay is the one that I was talking to you about, international services. So let's look at this global pay. So this global pay, it provides you with a virtual wallet. A virtual wallet is a wallet that you can use instead of the credit card or the debit card, the physical one. So most of the time people don't actually feel very secure when using their physical credit cards online. So in my humble opinion, I think it's best for a person to use this kind of card. It's a virtual card, so you'll be able to pay for your international services. As you can see, there's the show card details, there's the copy card number, enable repeat payments. You can enable repeat payments for any service that you wish to purchase, and you can also suspend your card if you wish to remove it for future use or you're not using it. And then you have your set your budget and the cost estimator. So the cost estimator, it converts, like now as you can see here, $1 is approximately 122.65. so like it has a currency calculator, so you can be able to convert this amount of money to USD and USD to Kenyan shillings. It's actually very nice. So in that way you can be able to pay for your digital services while still in Kenya. Apart from that, we also have events. Let's check out events. You can be able to pay for events. You can be able to pay for education, for entertainment. As you can see, they've grouped into this. You have DSTV, you have GoTV, and all the services, as you can see, they are here. Let's see them all. You can be able to pay for all of these. Madaraka Express, Insure Me, book. You can be able to book a flight, and NSSF mobile for those who have social security funds. this little app. I don't know what that does. Sasa Doctor, it's for health. Progress, you can be able to pay for your gas. My NHIF, as I had told you earlier. Power, like any type of digital service that you want, it's here. Even you can also invest in your circle. For those who are in Amref, like even your petrol station, Rubies, you can be able to pay here. And you can be able to transact. This transaction feature, as you can see, we have the Fuliza, KCB MPESA. For those who have activated theirs, you can also save and deposit from Mshwari. The Pochi La Biashara, you have the send money, request money, add another network. You can also send to many if you want to send money to a group of number of people, which the SIM toolkit is limited to that function. You cannot be able to send to a group of people. You can only be able to send one by one. So yeah, and then you can also withdraw at an agent or an ATM. You can buy airtime for your number. Yeah, like this app is all rounded. It can be able to pay and cater for all your services. And then we have the Grow app using the Global Pay Mshwari for those who like saving using Mshwari and KCB MPESA. And with that, guys, remember, before signing into the app, you need to make sure that you use your cellular data. So when you first open this app, you will need to use data. So you can maybe purchase data, just like maybe around 50 MBs. You set up your account, so it will ask you for your MPESA pin. So you make sure you put in the correct MPESA pin, then you unlock. Then you can update your profile settings. You can add your picture, and you can access to settings. As you can see, you can access to settings. You can access your settings via here. You can also get notifications. You can put notifications on your phone each time you want to get. Also, this app allows you to see your expenditure and your deposits in real time. As you can see, I had sent some money to this guy. So with that said, that's how the MPESA app works. If you have any comment regarding this app, or you require more additional videos to be able to show you how to use this app, you can comment down on the link description. So guys, I'd like to end it here. Thank you guys for watching, and for all those new subscribers, please subscribe to my channel. Again, you'll be able to help me out. And without further ado, I'd like to end it here. So peace.